Hi everyone, it's Robin and welcome back to Happy at Home. Today I thought it would be fun to take a look back at 2018 and look at some of my favorite home decor and DIY projects. So now that we're in a brand new year with so many possibilities ahead of us, it's sort of fun to look back at what we've already done. So today I thought I would put together just a quick video and share with you some of the things that I've done this past year on my channel as sort of a little recap of the year, which I think are always really fun. I love watching other people's videos like this, so I thought it would be fun to do one of my own. So I broke this video up into two sections. One is home decor and one is DIY projects. So to get started today, I'm just going to show you a little montage of the different decor looks that my home has gone through this past year and just kind of highlight some of my favorite displays and that sort of thing and looks that I've put together for the past year. So let's jump right in. then we get to move on to DIY projects, which are near and dear to my heart. I love crafting, I love building things, all that sort of stuff. So DIY projects are very fun for me. Unfortunately, when I started to put this video together, I realized that at the beginning of the year, up until probably about 3 months ago, I did not save any of the videos that I made. I don't know what I did with them. I can't seem to find them. I don't know what happened to them. Probably one of the girls took one of my little cards that I save all my stuff onto and used it for something else. I wouldn't put it past them. So, long story short, I only have a few things to share with you today, but luckily for me, a lot of my favorite DIYs have been done in recent months. So, let's jump into that right now. We'll start off with this gorgeous mirror. When I found it at the thrift store, it had a very dark stain on it, but after a coat of paint and some distressing, it's looking oh so beautiful. Next up is my potting bench. Oh, how I've wanted one of these for ages and ages, and this year I finally got around to building myself one, and I love how it turned out. For this next project, I simply added some Dollar Tree contact paper to the back of my kitchen cabinet, and it instantly had a big impact. The floral pattern has a vintage vibe, and it makes my white dishes pop. This next project was a hand-painted sign which I made to use for my Christmas decor, and I absolutely love its simplicity. And finally, the year cannot be complete without at least one sewing project. These pillow covers made from vintage Christmas tablecloths turned out so amazing. I cannot get enough of them, and I definitely need to make more. So there you go. Those were my favorites for 2018. And so that is it for me today. Thank you so much for stopping by, hanging out with me today. I appreciate it very, very much. And also, I would love it if you would let me know down in the comments what was your favorite DIY or home decor project that I did this past year. I think that would be very fun to know what you guys are thinking. And also, you know what would be really fun? It would be if you left me a comment down below and let me know what your #1 project that you want to accomplish in your home this year is. I think that would be very interesting to know. Like, I know what's on my list, but I don't know what's on your list. So I would love to know what you guys plan to do in your homes this year. Because, I don't know, I just think that's exciting stuff. So, let me know down in the comments. That would be really fun for me if you would leave me a comment and let me know what you're planning to do. So, yeah. Alright. I will let you get going. I feel like I'm in a very chatty mood today, and this video could go really long if I let it, but I'm not going to. It's supposed to be short and sweet today. So, once again, thanks for watching, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye!